How to clear cache on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can clear cache on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So there are two things that we can do to clear cache on our iPhone. The first is we can clear the cache on our browser, and the other is we can clear our cache on our iPhone apps. So let us first go through the browser one. So for that, head over to your settings. After you're on your settings, you will need to head over to your Safari settings. For that, you can scroll down and there you should see the apps section. Head over to apps section and simply search for Safari. After you find Safari, head over there and there you should see a lot of different settings. You can scroll down, and after you scroll down for a bit, you should find clear history and website data. Tap on it and there you should see all history. You can clear all tabs as well. It's completely up to you. Now tap on clear history to clear everything. Now, if you have logged into any websites or stuff like that, that will get removed too. So make sure that you remember your passwords. After you do that, your cache on Safari will get cleared. That's the first step. Now the second step is clearing cache on our apps. For that, you'll need to go through each and every apps. So make sure that you know the app which you want to clear the cache of. For that, we'll have to offload the app. To offload an app, head over to General on your settings, head over to iPhone storage, and after you're on your iPhone storage, you should see different apps. Head over to a single app and tap on Offload App. Confirm that, and it should start offloading the app. Now this will just delete the app itself, not completely, but it will just keep your documents and data on your iPhone. So yeah, that is how you do it. Now if you want to reinstall it, you can head over here and tap on the reinstall button. And that is how you can clear your caches on your iPhone. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.